Welcome to the EduMotion channel. We're thrilled to have you here. If you're looking to improve your English speaking skills with clarity and confidence, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch out for our other episodes to help you on your journey. Let's get started. Have you ever listened to someone speak with such clarity and confidence that you couldn't help but be captivated? Their words flowed effortlessly, conveying their message with impact and precision. When we speak clearly and confidently, we unlock a powerful tool for connection, understanding, and self-expression. Clarity in speech ensures that our ideas are heard and understood. It eliminates ambiguity and allows our listeners to grasp our meaning effortlessly. Confidence, on the other hand, adds a layer of authority and conviction to our words. It shows that we believe in what we're saying and that we're comfortable expressing ourselves. When we combine clarity and confidence, we create a powerful synergy that enhances our communication skills. Our message resonates more deeply, our ideas are received with greater impact, and we establish ourselves as effective communicators. Whether we're engaging in casual conversation or delivering a formal presentation, clarity and confidence are essential ingredients for success in any speaking situation. As we embark on our journey to master English speaking, let's embrace the power of these two pillars and strive to communicate with both clarity and confidence. One of the first hurdles English language learners often encounter is pronunciation. The English language is notorious for its tricky sounds and unique pronunciation rules. Sounds that don't exist in our native tongues can feel awkward and unfamiliar. For example, the th sound, as in the or think, can be a real tongue twister for those unaccustomed to it. The r sound, which can vary significantly depending on its placement within a word, can also pose a challenge. And let's not forget about the dreaded vowel sounds with their subtle nuances and seemingly endless variations. However, fear not, pronunciation challenges are not insurmountable obstacles. With consistent practice and the right techniques, we can train our mouths to produce these sounds accurately and confidently. In addition to pronunciation, there are other common speaking habits that can hinder our clarity and confidence. Mumbling, speaking too quickly, and hesitating too often can all make it difficult for others to understand us. When we mumble, we fail to articulate our words clearly, resulting in muffled and indistinct speech. Speaking too quickly, on the other hand, can leave our listeners struggling to keep up, while excessive hesitation can disrupt the flow of our speech and make us appear uncertain. The good news is that these habits can be overcome with awareness and practice. By paying attention to our speaking patterns and consciously working on improving our clarity, we can overcome these obstacles and communicate more effectively. Here are some practical tips to enhance your English speaking skills. Embrace shadowing. Shadowing involves listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say as closely as possible. This technique helps improve pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Targeted pronunciation practice. Identify the specific sounds you find challenging and focus on practicing them. Online dictionaries with audio pronunciations and YouTube tutorials can be valuable resources. Slow down. Speaking at a slightly slower pace, especially when you're starting, can significantly improve your clarity. This gives you time to form words properly and allows your listener to process what you're saying. Section 5. Building confidence, one step at a time. Confidence is key when it comes to speaking any language, and English is no exception. Here are some strategies to boost your speaking confidence. Daily description. Take a few minutes each day to describe your activities, thoughts, or surroundings aloud. This simple exercise helps you become more comfortable with using English spontaneously. Think in English. As much as possible, try to think in English throughout the day. This reduces the need for mental translation and helps you internalize the language more effectively. Conversation partners. Seek opportunities to practice speaking with native speakers or other English learners. Language exchange partners, online language groups, and conversation clubs can provide valuable practice. Repetition is key when it comes to improving your speaking skills. Here are some exercises you can incorporate into your daily routine. Reading aloud. Choose a passage from a book, article, or even a song lyric and read it aloud, focusing on your pronunciation and intonation. Impromptu speaking. Set a timer for 1 to 2 minutes and choose a random topic. Speak about the topic without any preparation. This helps you think on your feet and develop your fluency. Tongue twisters. Those tricky phrases designed to challenge your pronunciation can actually be quite helpful. Practice tongue twisters regularly to improve your articulation. Learning a new language, especially to the point of fluency, is a journey that requires dedication and perseverance. There will be times when you feel discouraged or frustrated. The key is to stay motivated and keep moving forward. Set realistic goals for yourself and celebrate your achievements along the way. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as they are an essential part of the learning process. Remember why you started learning English in the first place. Learning a language is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process and enjoy the ride. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Remember, the most important thing is to communicate. Don't let the fear of making mistakes hold you back. Be confident, be clear, and most importantly, be yourself. Mastering English speaking is a gift you give yourself. It opens doors to new opportunities, cultures, and connections. As you continue your language learning journey, remember the power of clarity, the importance of confidence, and the joy of communication. With dedication and practice, you can achieve your English speaking goals and unlock a world of possibilities.